everybody! Today we are headed off to Sandown, New Hampshire to take care of a kitchen sink drain. Wish us luck, stay tuned, and we hope to see you at the end of the video.
Here for afraid of dogs?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna let my male dog. I'm watching another one. I'll keep him away. My male dog is like crazy energy.
Is he not gonna? Is he okay with larger males?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he loves all people.
Okay.
But he gets so excited, so he can be a lot when he meets you in the house. So I like to send him out, but I just make sure no one will be scared first.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it
It's
fine
fine
to send him out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he'll be fine.
I go outside.
Hello. 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 Hi. 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 Hi.
Oh, my greeter. Huh?
All right, let's take a peek.
All right, so I apologize because the sink is like, oh my gosh, just a mess. Because what happens is my husband puts dishes into it and doesn't like rinse them off.
Okay.
So it was like regurgitating, and so yeah, there's like
Food everywhere. No biggie. So is your basement finished? Or are you on slab? Can I see the pipes underneath? Underneath the sink?
Yeah. I don't know if I should empty it all out for you guys or not.
Yeah, we will after. We can get in that way. So it doesn't drain at all, or it doesn't drain slow?
So we had it like fully clogged and it like filled, and my husband's like, okay. He went in and like tried to fix it, and he did like, and he's like, oh, the clog's really far down, and then finally was like, okay, I unclogged it, but then I was doing dishes over on this side, and then I look over and the water was like filling over on this side. And then, so same thing, he was like, okay, well, hopefully it will drain, and I can work on it when we get home, but that time it didn't even drain. But now, like, you can run it, and like, a little bit goes down, but at some point, I don't know if it hits the blockage, then it will start to back up.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, do you want me to pull all this stuff out for you guys?
I can pull it out after, so you have, because you have the baby and stuff, so I'm not worried about it. All right, so your closest bathroom is right there, right?
Yes.
Can I see downstairs so I can look at the pipes up in the...
Yeah, definitely.
All right. So this would be your kitchen sink. Alrighty. So we told your husband what the price was. In order for us to snake the kitchen sink, we get but we'd be able to do it today, obviously.
Okay.
So I just have to go let him know. We can grab our equipment, and then we can come back in.
Okay. And I'll start taking everything out for you guys.
Hi. It's me again. I'm back. So I was about to say I might ask you to put him in another room just because the machine, I don't want his nose to get caught.
Yeah, and he's a nervous Nelly too, so if it makes any sort of noise, he'll be scared.
Yeah, it will. So him.
He's like, hi, welcome to my house. I don't want to What's in here?
I asked her to put him in the other room so that he doesn't. Let's put this up there. guess that is that empty, so I can take this nut off. The sink. The sink. I just want to know how much water to expect. The bathroom's right there. Huh? It's okay, the bathroom's right there. I can just dump it in there. No, it's right across from the door you came in. So it goes down this wall, it goes this way a little bit, and then down, and then across, and then over to that bathroom. Just so you can get an idea of the footage. No. Here. And I'll run and get the... That's just on there for your plate.
Someone wants to play.
he's in the main. He's in the main. You're in the main.
I'm in the main?
Yep. You want me to pull this? You want to put that bucket under there more? I'll pull this side for you. I'll let you put that on there. I'll tape it.
Won't make messes.
No, I hear you. Come on, fingers work.
Did you put that sticker on the door?
Yes. My fingers don't work. There we go. I'm trying to get it on there. What?
Oh, yeah. Good to go.
Alrighty, honey, I don't know if you want to come and take a peek at this so that you can see that it's draining good.
So were you able to like see a clog?
Well, he felt it, so we like
yeah.
to fill it up to make sure that we get it 100% clean. So
Okay.
I'll shut this off.
So was it not? I mean, I know there was a clog, but is it a major problem that my husband puts, like, as you can see, like food chunks in there?
I mean, If it definitely goes down, yes, it's gonna clog it.
Yeah, I'm like,
especially with that sag. Because
Yeah,
if you
okay.
don't have enough water flow behind it and that gets down there, it's not gonna be able to push past that sag.
Yeah, okay.
So. I just wanted to show you that it's definitely
Awesome.
going down 100%.
You don't realize how much you appreciate sinks until you have one that doesn't work.
Right, until you can't use it anymore. Alrighty, everybody, that does it for that one. Super easy kitchen sink drain. Wasn't too bad. So if you like this video, check out some more kitchen sink lines. Wish us luck on our next endeavors, and also check out that Amazon affiliate link. Just go shopping as you normally would. Just click the link first. Alrighty, thanks as always for watching, and remember, be amazing. Bye!